Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 46. Make R the subject of the formula P plus Q is equals to 5R squared all over 2. A. R is equals to P plus Q over 10. B. R is equals to Q plus P over 10. C. R is equals to square root 2 into P plus Q all over 5. And D. R is equals to 2 all over 5 square root 2 into P plus Q. Now we are asked to make R the subject of the formula. Now we have P plus Q is equal to 5R squared all over 2. That is, let's divide this page to have enough space. We have P plus Q is equal to 5R squared all over 2. Now to remove this 2 from both sides, we simply say what? Multiply. From here we simply say multiply both sides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2, and so therefore we have that 2 into P plus Q is equal to what? 5R squared, because when you multiply 2 to this place, this 2, we cancel this 2, so you have 5R squared here. Now to remove this 5 from this place, remember we're trying to make R the subject of the formula. That means we are trying to make R stand alone. So to remove this 5 here, we say, well, divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5, and then we'll have that what? 2 into P plus Q all over 5 is equal to 5R squared over 5. Now this 5, we cancel this 5, so therefore you have 2 into P plus Q close brackets all over what? All over 5 is equal to what? R squared. Remember, this 5 has cancelled this 5. Now you have R squared, but what we need is R, not R squared. So to get R, we say what? We take the square root of both sides. Take square roots of both sides, and so therefore you have that what? Square root 2 into P plus Q all over 5 is equals to what? The square root of R squared. Now this square root, we cancel this square, giving you what? R. So therefore we say R is equals to what? To the square root 2 into P plus Q close brackets all over 5. This is the answer. So R is equals to what? The square root 2 into P plus Q all over 5. Now which of these options correspond to our answer? A says R is equals to P plus Q all over 10, which is wrong. B says R is equals to Q plus P all over 10, which is wrong. And C says R is equals to square root 2 into P plus Q all over 5, which is correct. It corresponds to our answer. And D says R is equals to 2 all over 5 square root 2 into P plus Q, which is wrong. So therefore the final answer to this question is option C is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.